Pranab Mukherjee is all set to be elected the 13th President of India as the counting of votes takes place later today. Well, the counting of ballots of MPs as well as MLAs from all the states will be held in the capital today, and the result is expected by late afternoon. Pranab Mukherjee looks all set for a landslide. His ride up to Raisina Hill ascertained when the last bastion opposing the UPA, Mamata Banerjee-led TMC, fell through. Congress-led UPA has claimed Mukherjee will win around 70% of the votes in the direct contest with PS Sangma. Sangma's campaign, which was based on minority and tribal cards, has not garnered as much support as he would have anticipated when he quit the NCP to contest these polls. Well, an astute politician and a congressman at heart, Pranab Mukherjee has been the chief troubleshooter for the Congress party. He joined the Congress party in 1969 and has been said to be mentored by Indira Gandhi herself. He will, as the president, oversee the government formation after the 2014 general elections. The pending mercy petitions and recent allegations of overspending by the office of the president. Pranab Mukherjee will be administered the oath of office by the Chief Justice of India on 25th of July.